This is my brother Lucas. I'm very interested and supportive of what he's got going on. He owns his own business. It is a diesel mechanic.
We do it all. We do gas and diesel.
Gas and diesel.
But we specialize in diesel.
So what do you do different, say, than your competitor or whatever?
Yep.
What sets you apart?
So first and foremost, all my success has been glory to the God. Jesus has put us where we are. We do gas and diesel. I specialize in power stroke diesels. One thing that I could just say that we do, we're going to give a top-notch quality service to you, as far as we're going to tell you what the truth is, and we're only going to give you the truth whether it hurts us or not. I just feel like that would be the way the Lord wanted us to do it, and that's the way we handle it.
Mm-hmm. Very good to hear, especially nowadays when you go into the business and they're always trying to upsell you, and I mean, you go to the veterinarian and they're yelling at you about your cat's teeth, but it turns out when you go somewhere else, your cat's teeth are fine,
right,
but they're trying to charge you $800. Things like that, just shady stuff. Mm-hmm. And it's really, really good. And I know other people appreciate when they go to a business and they get good service and it's an honest thing. And most likely it's going to be a God-fearing person in that position that's going to give you the service. But you do everything, so it's like any car, right?
Any car, 80 make and model. The only thing that we don't do is tires and alignment. So Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge, Toyota, Hondas,
mm-hmm.
Nissans, you name it, we work on it.
Okay, but even such a simple thing as just gas, water pumps and stuff like that. I mean, you're
right.
all in it, right?
Right, correct. Yep, absolutely. Yep, we do it all.
The guys that work for you, gals that work for you, because I met a couple of them. They
right.
seem very sound and very nice. And
I've been totally blessed, and I prayed my guys that's in my building. I've had other people working for me, great guys, but the two guys I have working for me now, they was 100% prayed in.
Awesome.
Yep.
All right. So if you're in the area, which is
The Rock, Georgia.
The Rock, Georgia.
The Rock, Georgia.
Okay. What's the address?
We're in Zebulon. It's 2031 Vega Road, Meansville, Georgia, 30256.
Yeah, very close to what? Barnesville,
Thomaston, Zebulon.
Yeah.
We're not too far from Griffin, 25 minutes south of Griffin.
If you're in the area and you want to take your vehicle that you care about so much, you paid good money for, you want to take it to somebody that cares about your stuff as much as you do, take it to my man Lucas.
ALPHA Automotive and Diesel. You can find us on Facebook, ALPHA Automotive, and the and symbol, Diesel.